welcome to Core Off-Road. We're here this morning to give you a run through on our GTU model, which is our Grand Tourer Ultimate. We put it on our Ford Ranger platform. It's a 2018 PX2. Some of the features with the GTU, essentially the design side of the GTU model was predominantly based as a younger couple or an older couple who were going to be travelling Australia without a caravan and without a camper trailer. We had a lot of interest at the start for people who were looking for a design or a layout that was suitable if they were towing a 5-metre boat behind them, and they wanted a canopy essentially that had everything in it that they needed. So in the GTU model, we've got a 110 litre upright Dometic fridge, including the top freezer. We've got our Travel Buddy 12-volt pie oven. These things are unbelievable. We're going to run through some of the recipes and everything that you can do in these things. Fusion, stereo active, our electrical panel, including USB outlets, fuses, and of course our Enerdrive ePro. The GTU also comes with the Julka hot water system. It's placed in here as a storage facility. Essentially the hot water system takes only a minute. It can come out. It's all plumbed in. There's 2 hoses that connect back in underneath the vehicle and allows you access to your 100 litre water tank. The other thing with the GTU is our 1500mm slide out kitchen, Dometic sink, which will then connect back to the hot water system and obviously the pump. So you've got hot and cold water in your sink. The other thing with the kitchen on the GTU, storage is everything, obviously. So we have a 950mm storage drawer, which can be used as a pantry and cutlery storage, so on and so forth. As with most of our models, we do have our camp lights in the doors, along with our adjustable door tensioner. The camp lights, once again, are an awesome feature. Under tray boxes, along with our SureFlow pump and diesel fill point. Moving back forward, same thing, 3mm aluminium mud guards, our water tap and air points. Heading around the rear of the vehicle, our GTU model comes standard with 23/0 270-degree awning, along with our custom designed camp lights. Rear trundle drawer and 100 litre water tank. All of our canopy bodies, even from the Workmate through to the GTU, we use maxi lamps, LED auto lamps, maxi lamps. We have reversing centers that integrate back in to the rear clip. The driver's side predominantly is all about storage. We have a 300 litre per minute air compressor that goes back in. That's our little service access panel. In there is also the Enerdrive BTEC 125 amp hour lithium battery. The GTU model comes standard with the 9-metre air hose, 12-volt outlet, the USB, and of course internal lighting and camp lights in the door. The GTU model also has 2 900mm storage drawers. The storage that we've been able to fit into this thing is phenomenal. If you are travelling around with just your canopy, whether it's a rooftop tent or you're towing a boat or you're in swags, the storage in this is phenomenal. Same thing, other side, driver's side of the vehicle, we've also got air points and a water tap. The water taps are both plumbed in through the pump, so you'll have pressurised water for washing your hands, so on and so forth. Under tray toolbox, once again central locking on all doors and locks on all of our models, apart from the base model, which is our Workmate. We've got, once again, our Backbone and Pioneer roof rack system, integrated steady camp lights, 7.3-inch work lights, and obviously the colour-coded backing panel. We offer a full range of accessories for Pioneer's platform, from shovel and spade holders through to tread tracks and max tracks. On Bluey, we decided to go with Offroad Animal, so it has Offroad Animal side steps, King wheels, zombie rims, Mickey Thompson Baja MTZ P3s, and the Offroad Animal bullbar. The Offroad Animal bullbar, we offer custom colour coding to your vehicle. for the insert panels, winch horse and side panels. The Offroad Animal bars we can option with a range of the 2 STK 21-inch steady light bars, obviously GME UHF aerials. So on our GT, GTU and GTX models, our canopies come standard with a 23.0 270-degree awning. We're going to give you a quick rundown. The 23.0 products to us are unsurpassable. They're a great product, they're well made. One of the big features is the full bag on the 270-degree awnings. We're going to give you a bit of a rundown and show you how quick they are to set up. If you've never had a 270-degree awning, I guarantee once you've had one, you'll never go back to a standard roll-out awning. The ease of setup, because they are self-supporting, is unbelievable. As you can see, the amount of shade that a 270-degree awning offers is phenomenal. The ease of setup, these things are unsurpassable when it comes to weight and quality. They come standard with the 5 legs, 2 of which stay in the awning at all times. The other 3 can actually be installed in there. Typically with the 270-degree awnings, they do need to be tied down. This morning here at Core's workshop, there's limited wind, next to none. So in relation to tie down, it's no issues. The awnings come in at 19 kilos in weight. They offer around 12 square meters of shade. They do come with an optional extra for the side panels that does give you a lot more shaded area.